Welcome, fellow cooking enthusiasts, to a showdown between three titans of the stand mixer world. Today, we explore, compare, and ultimately crown the winner between the KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer, K45SS, the Aucma Stand Mixer, 6.5 Quart 660 Watt, and the Cuisinart Stand Mixer, SM-50R. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a kitchen novice, this comprehensive review will guide you toward making an informed purchase decision. Let's begin with a brand that needs no introduction. The KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer, revered for its durability and timeless elegance, stands tall in many kitchens around the globe. KitchenAid's reputation for producing long-lasting, high-quality appliances remains unmatched. Its classic design effortlessly complements most kitchen aesthetics, proof of its universal appeal. Additionally, this mixer offers unrivaled versatility with various compatible attachments, allowing you to whip up pasta, grind meat, and beyond. Its compact size proves advantageous for those with limited kitchen space without compromising on performance. Stability is no issue here, as the mixer is crafted with sturdy metal components. However, even legends have their shortcomings. With a modest 250 watts of power, this mixer might find it challenging to tackle thick or voluminous doughs like bread and pizza. The 4.5 quart bowl may leave you wanting more if you're accustomed to baking in bulk. Finally, the price tag reflects KitchenAid's prestigious brand value. Be prepared to invest a little extra compared to some competitors offering similar capacity. Next on our lineup is the Aucma Stand Mixer, a powerful contender boasting a 660-watt motor. If you're searching for a mixer that doesn't flinch at heavy-duty tasks like kneading robust bread doughs, this might be your match. Let's unpack its strengths. The Aucma mixer shines with a large 6.5 quart bowl, making it ideal for substantial batches. It offers fantastic value for its price, challenging premium brands with its performance and affordability. Equipped with essential accessories such as a dough hook, wire whip, and beater, Aucma ensures you're well prepared for a spectrum of baking endeavors. Plus, it operates with an impressive hush, hardly intruding upon your kitchen tranquility. On the downside, its plastic exterior may not emit the same sturdy vibe as its metal-bodied rivals. Compatibility with third-party attachments could be restrictive, limiting your culinary creativity. Finally, it lacks the established reputation of its more eminent counterparts, KitchenAid and Cuisinart, which might weigh on your decision. Moving on to our final contender, the Cuisinart 5.5 Quart Stand Mixer is a beauty that marries style and substance effortlessly. What's to love about this mixer? With a 500-watt motor, it stands robust and ready to conquer most mixing tasks. Its 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl strikes a delightful balance, sufficient for most home bakers. Cuisinart gives you control with 12-speed options, catering to every need from whipping cream to handling dough. Its ruby red finish is bound to spruce up your kitchen decor, while included essentials like a whisk, paddle, dough hook, and splash guard keep you well equipped. As a brand synonymous with reliability, Cuisinart endears itself to those who value durability and post-purchase support. Yet it's not without flaws. Being heavier than some, it's less friendly for frequent movers. Limited expansion capability for attachments may hinder versatility enthusiasts. Compared to budget-friendly options such as Aucma, this model leans towards the pricier side. It's decision time. Each mixer showcases its distinctive strengths, catering to various preferences and needs. Here's our insightful guide to help you nail down the right choice. KitchenAid Classic Series. Perfect for those who treasure brand reputation, flexible attachments, and a classic compact design. However, if you frequently take on heavy-duty or large-scale baking, its lower power and smaller bowl capacity might be limiting. Aucma 6.5 Quart, your budget-friendly powerhouse. Ideal for those who prize affordability and need a large capacity mixer that can tackle demanding tasks with ease. If you're a beginner or bake occasionally, this mixer is an excellent companion. Just bear in mind the lesser build quality for frequent heavy use. Cuisinart SM-50R, a sublime middle ground choice that blends solid motor power, ample capacity, and chic design, suited for intermediate bakers who prioritize quality and versatility without delving into premium pricing realms. The best overall choice is the Cuisinart SM-50R for its well-balanced attributes, aligning perfectly with the majority of home bakers' needs. Despite its slightly higher price, its durability, functionality, and established brand value more than justify the expense. Yet should economy or capacity be your guiding lights, the Aucma 6.5 quart won't disappoint. And for legacy, reliability, and expansion, the KitchenAid Classic holds its own as a trusted ally for lighter baking tasks. That wraps it up. We've journeyed through the highs and lows of each remarkable stand mixer to find the right one for you. Thank you for joining us today on our Stand Mixer Showdown. We've included handy Amazon links to these amazing products in the description below. If you found our guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. We love hearing from you. Drop a comment with your thoughts or which mixer you've set your heart on. Until next time, keep mixing and baking with passion.